Hello beautiful people of the world and welcome to a new video. In this tutorial we're going to close our short series of videos on how to build a MIDI step sequencer. So as you can see, I worked on my sequencer and I decided to go with one subpatch and to have every single note, every controls for the 8 notes into the same subpatch. I also decided to put a visual representation of the 8 steps, so when it's running, I know where I am and what's going on. And I also decided to put into the subpatch the start and stop button and the number atom to control the speed. Now, this value is in BPM, so in beats per minute, so it's not milliseconds anymore. I made a conversion, a little algorithm that I'm going to explain in a moment. And so this is it. And of course, the outlets are, again, for the note value, for the velocity value, and the milliseconds duration values. Okay, so if we have a look inside, we can see that here is our counter, the clock, and the core mechanism of the sequencer, and of course all of the sliders and the connections. So the outlets for the values, the 3 values, and of course, as you can see, every slider is connected to the proper outlet. Now I also used the send and receive object to not have too many cables going around. It is messy here, it's a messy patch actually, not kind of my style, but yeah, so these objects are pretty useful, and I'm gonna make a tutorial on send and receive messages and objects because it's really useful and really interesting. Now, the metro object receives speed values in milliseconds, but if we want to set our sequencer speed in BPM, in beats per minute, we have to make a little conversion. So this is the operation for converting BPM values into milliseconds values. And basically you have to divide the BPM value you're going to set by 60, because you have basically 60 seconds per minute. And then you have to divide 1,000, the number 1,000, by the result of this division. The swap object basically inverts what is coming to its inlet. So if we check the help file, as you can see, let's say 20. So when I move this, basically it is swapping the position of the 2 inlets. So here you can see that the creation argument, which corresponds to the rightmost inlet, is going to go to the left outlet, and the values sent to its left inlet are sent to its right outlet. It's pretty much clear. And we're using this because we have to divide 1,000, the number 1,000, by the result of this division. And that's basically it. It's really simple. And then we're using the send object to send the milliseconds value to the metro object. So basically this is it. It's finished, and it's really simple and useful tool. You can work on the graphical appearance if you want. You can change the properties of the sliders. You can change the colors of the text. You can change the colors of the background, and you can actually personalize it as you wish. So that's it. That's basically it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, like. If you have questions, again, you can write them in the comment section and I will answer as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!